Okay, so we just took out the chaeto pump and we've just actually hooked in the Vectra. We've got that in. Not a very good video to see it. I've actually bled it out. Got the chaeto, I'm going to put a roller in there, so I'm just going to bleed it through with a valve and we shall get that guy rolling. Tank is looking awesome. Can't wait for the new corals to come out there in quarantine till the 18th of January. Fish are going gangbusters. Little powder blue settled in wonderfully. So about another 10-15 minutes, we're just starting to run the pump, so everything's going through. UV all set up. And I'll do a follow-up video in a second. We'll get this thing rolling, and Bob's your uncle. Well, we have the tank clouded up a little bit. Just reset the skimmer. Played around, got the new pump in. ADO's working well. And we got the chaeto tumbling away. Grows like crazy, this stuff. So I've just bled off the Vectra pump, run a line through with a valve on. Just shoot it down. It's just really basic at the moment, so we just trimmed it off. Sarah's given it a bit of a haircut, so we'll see how it goes and then we'll round it off and she should enjoy life in there. Lots of snails. That's cleaned up that section really well.